I want you guys to think about what comes to mind when I say manufacturing, okay? Because there's a lot of misconceptions about it these days. People think it's old world technology, that it's going away, and I can tell you nothing could be further from the truth. We have 1,500 companies in this area, and some of them are the most advanced companies in the world, okay? If you have a cell phone in your pocket, that chip that was made, that goes in that, powers that cell phone, was likely made here in Austin. If it wasn't made here in Austin, I guarantee you that a piece of equipment that was made in Austin is used to make that chip. And any electronic device that you can name. A company here called Applied Materials, you guys know about them? Yeah? They make the equipment that goes in semiconductors. The tools cost $1 million. And it's just one example of some of the products that are made here. These are some of the major manufacturers that are in the region. ICU Medical makes 1/3 of the IV bags in the United States. Samsung Semiconductor makes the chips I was just talking about. Flextronics makes the Apple MacBook Pro. You guys know Apple computers, I'm sure. They make the MacBook Pro right off 183 in Oak Knoll. There's just a ton of cool stuff happening here. And the number one challenge manufacturers face is attracting and maintaining talent. They all want you to apply to their jobs. This is a highly advanced manufacturing community. What does that make a difference to you? 53% of the jobs are classified as very high tech. That makes a difference when you look at the average wage. The average wage in an advanced manufacturing company is $118,000. All right? Every time I show that slide, somebody raises their hand and says, where can I get one of those jobs? Right? It looks pretty good. Those are skilled positions that require different level degrees, sometimes an associate's degree, sometimes a college degree, sometimes a master's degree. But even without an advanced degree, you can still get a position there with just a high school education and make your way to a middle class wage, $60,000, $70,000 a year, okay? Is there the video slide in there?
Yep, click.
One more?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll tell you about this real quick. We have an internship program. There's 20 companies that want to hire interns this summer. If you're interested, just talk to us. I'll give you a list of the companies if you're interested in employment. I want you to see this short video because I think it really exemplifies the companies that are here, and you can see it for yourself. It's about 1 minute long.
Austin is one of the most advanced manufacturing communities in the nation, featuring world-class companies like Applied Materials, Samsung, NXP, Flex, National Instruments, 3M, Dell Computers, and ICU Medical. There are over 1,500 companies, making $11.5 billion in products. More than half are computers and electronics. But Austin is also diverse, with a significant biopharmaceutical and medical device cluster. And the region is home to a growing food and beverage community with major brands like Tito's Vodka, Michelangelo's Foods, Veggie Noodle Company, and Deep Eddy Vodka. Not only is manufacturing in Central Texas thriving, it's expanding, adding roughly 1,000 jobs annually and employing over 57,000 people. These are well-paid, exciting careers that offer an average salary of $93,000. Experienced leaders and a skilled workforce are major advantages. Some of the most advanced companies in the world provide on-the-job training and matriculate executives, which flow down to the smaller companies. The industry also has vital support from 4 major educational institutions nearby, as well as community and technical colleges. Central Texas manufacturing is strong, high-tech, expanding, and productive. Come join us.
Great. Okay, guys, we have 3 manufacturers that are here with us today. Taco Westinghouse is a building you've driven by your whole life. They're right across the street from IKEA. They make large motors and small electrical motors. They would love to talk to you and tell you about what they're doing. They have over 400 people at their facility. And we have ClearCorrect, who is a medical device manufacturer. They make a dental appliance that goes in your mouth, helps straightens your teeth. I'm sure some of you have had braces before. This is an alternative version of that. They have about 30 3D printers there. You guys heard about 3D printing? It's a great skill to get if you can get training on those machines, and you can talk to James about it and learn what they're doing. And then you have Athena Manufacturing as well. They are a metal fabrication shop. I mentioned the tools that Applied Material makes, right, to make the semiconductors. They make a lot of the components that go in those tools. So ask them about the technology that they're using that's making your cell phones work. But we appreciate your time. Look forward to talking to you. Come pay us a visit.